How to update Google Home app. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to update your Google Home app. Let's get started. First, open Google Home application on your device. Now, all you have to do is go to App Store on your device. Just go to App Store, open it, and tap on search right here and search for Google Home. Once you search for it, you will find Google Home right here. Now if it needs update, you can see update right here. As my app is already updated, it's not showing, but in your case, if it needs update, it will be shown right here. Just tap on update and your app will be updated. That's it. Hope this video helps you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.